morning, ma'am. How are you?
Very good morning. I'm fine. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I am over the moon.
Good. Now, today you are enjoying your holiday?
Actually, my holidays are over
Okay.
and now I'm regular to school. But yes, I am still enjoying.
Okay. But today is day off, I think.
Yesterday was.
Okay. Okay. So, first of all, would you please like to introduce yourself?
Of course, I would. So, my name is Alvia Rahman. I am in class 6C, and my hobbies are skating, singing, and guitar.
Okay.
And I love to write. I love to do journaling, and in journaling, I love to give some vintage and aesthetic looks. And yes, that's all about it. And ma'am,
Oh,
would you please introduce yourself?
yeah, sure. As you know, my name is Ghazala, and I'm connecting with you from UP, Allahabad. And right now I'm teaching in a school, and my hobbies are cooking and listening to music.
Okay,
It's all
ma'am.
about you. You are a student and I'm teacher.
That's a very suitable, relation with a student and a teacher.
Yes, yes, you are right. But being a teacher, I would like to ask that you are a student, and which type of problem do you face in your school, yeah, or in your daily life? Being a student, which type of problem do you think that your parents are not going to understand, your teacher is not going to understand, and you are facing your problem in your student life?
Not these kind of problems I don't face, mashallah, not on daily purpose, and I share every single thing with my mother.
Very
So
good.
I such problems, mashallah, and inshallah it will not be there. So
Very good.
yes, that's a quick answer of your question.
So means your mother is your good friend.
Of course, she is my first ever friend, my first ever teacher, and yes, she is my best friend forever.
Very good. Means the bonding between you and your
Yes,
mother is very good.
yes, it is.
Okay, it's very good. And your mother messaged me for this conversation. That time I thought that no, she is very conscious about your learning, about your
She
journey.
Yes, she is. Actually, I am over here sitting in front of you and communicating with you because only every single thing is because of my mother, my father, and that means a lot. I
Okay, means
love my
your mother motivated you to learn this language. Okay,
not
so
my mother motivated. I was already motivated from the beginning. I actually love this language. I love to speak in this language. And then my mother, told me that you can learn
means you
more and
were
you can go in this stream.
means you were already motivated and your mother inspired you to learn this language. Okay.
She did.
What is the medium in your school in which you are studying right now? What is the medium?
Ma'am, I'm studying in CBSE.
Okay, CBSE. It means it is an English medium school. I'm
Yes,
also teaching in CBSE board school, and
yes.
so why means you are learning you are means you are studying in CBSE school and English medium school. So why you are facing problem to speak English?
I'm not facing any problem, ma'am.
Means why what is the purpose? Means you are practicing this language, you are learning this language, or you are just means enjoying? What is your purpose to create?
Ma'am, first of all, I am enjoying this language. And second, that, inshallah, I will go in other countries as well to study. and it's very important. Like English is a language of the whole wide world,
Yes.
for communication. So
Mhm.
that's why I need to learn this, and as well as I'm in IELTS as well. My principal sir is giving me and one more girl the classes, and
Okay.
yes, that's IELTS is also there in sixth class. So that's why I have joined it. I was curious. I have joined this, and it was pretty good
So
because
IELTS program is there in your school or you are teaching from anywhere else? You're in your school, then it's very good. Means
yes,
your future plan is already ready.
yes,
You're just
yes.
okay. It's very good. If your goal is in front of you and you have decided everything already, then it becomes very easy.
Mind-
to- your plan.
yes, because I love this language as well.
So, okay. So, do you want and to ask anything, any question? Do you
No,
have
ma'am.
any question? Do you want to ask anything? Okay, not at all. Okay, tell me about your city. In which city currently you are living?
Actually, I am in Amroha.
Amroha. Okay,
I live
in which state it
in
is? It
in
is in
UP.
okay, UP, Amroha.
Yes,
I'm hearing this for the very first time. Amroha.
I know I can relate, but still, it's a pretty good city, or you can say a district. And you know how it got its name, Amroha? Because
No, no.
it's famous in two things, mango and fish. My mother just told me, and there is a particular fish. I don't know, I currently can't remember the name, but yes,
Mhm.
it's famous for two things, which is mango and fish, and that's why it got its name.
Okay, Amroha is
Yes.
man. Yes, okay. So I can relate. My convenient time is means on Sunday I can talk to you or on any holiday. Okay,
Oh,
because I have to go to school and after school I have to do my household chores also.
because my mother is also a teacher, and my father also goes to school.
Okay, means
They
your
have
parents,
their
your
own school, actually. They have
sorry?
their own school.
Okay, they are running their own school.
Yes,
Means
they
your
are.
mother is not a teacher, she is a principal also.
Yes, she is. She is all in one, actually.
Okay. Means I am talking to you and you are talking a lot about your mother. It means your mother is your role model.
Obviously, she is, as well as my father.
Okay, it's very good. And you are means you are only child or you have brothers and sisters also.
Brother, one younger brother, and his name is Muhammad Ali Khan. And yes, he is a little bit annoying for me because I am a sister. Because if
Yes, yes,
you have
I
a
can
younger
understand.
sibling, then only you can relate.
Synonym for big,
Large, giant,
good, jump.
jump to, we can say, jump. Ma'am, I have not, I don't know the synonym of this word jump, because I have only heard this term, and I have not heard any other term.
Okay, jump. We can say leap.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because I am only in sixth class, so no words, such words have
For
came
me,
in
it's
my
standard,
class.
but your English is very good and you are speaking well. So there is no problem at all. And I'm a teacher and I'm learning this language. So the level is same. Don't worry about it that you are in sixth standard. So be confident, everything is okay.
I am confident.
Then why you worry? Okay, you can ask. You can ask. Give me some words and I will try to give you some tell you the synonyms.
Ma'am, can you tell me the synonym of sacrifice?
Sacrifice.
If
Mm,
is if it's there, because it's just a question.
no, no. Right now, I'm not getting the synonym of sacrifice, though I know the meaning, but I don't have the synonym of sacrifice.
Not there. I don't know if the synonym is there of sacrifice or not, but that's totally okay because I also don't know.
We can use offering, we can use giving up.
No, ma'am, sacrifice the because the particular meaning of sacrifice is because to get something we have to lose something as well. So we
Mhm.
can use this term as well.
Yes, yes. Like in Hindi, we can say balidan, tyag. So yes, it's not giving the vocabulary is the main part, and we are trying to improve our vocabulary. I'm working on my vocabulary, so it's okay. And if I learn something new from anybody, then I feel good that time. There is no problem at all because I'm on the path of learning. I'm learning, and if I'm learning something from my student, and you are just like my student, so it's very good. And I'm feeling good. My best wishes are with you that start your YouTube channel soon, and I will be there on your channel, and I would like to talk to you again. And if you start your channel, then please message me, and
Yes,
definitely I'm going to
ma'am.
subscribe your channel.
Ma'am.
Okay, so I think we should write up this conversation.
I think we should.
Okay, bye. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you.